Hey guys, this is Madhanandan. I'm an agriculture field officer at Canara Bank. Here in this video, we are going to see notification overview of IBPS CRP SPL 10, especially about agriculture field officer. Okay, first we will see about tentative dates regarding this exam. Here you can apply or edit your application in dates between 2nd November 2020 to 23rd November 2020, and the dates for payment of application fees is also same, that is from 2nd November 2020 to 23rd November 2020. As we know that this exam is a 3-tier examination. Call letter for online preliminary examination is usually released during 18th to 19th of December, that is 1 week or 10 days before the examination, and the preliminary examination is conducted on 26th and 27th December of 2020, and the results of preliminary examination is usually announced within a week or 10 days, most probably between 7th to 10th of January. And the next level is mains exam, and the call letter for mains exam is usually released between 16th and 17th of January 2021. The online mains exam will be held on 24th January 2021. And the results for this mains exam will be announced in the first week of February, most probably between 3rd and 5th of February 2021. And for those who are qualified in the online mains exam, will get call letter for interview most probably between 15th to 18th of February, and the interview is generally conducted between February 25th to February 28th, and the final overall results or provisional allotment will be announced most probably on April 1st of 2021. Okay, now let us see the vacancies for AFO which are reported by the various banks. As of now, only 3 banks have been reported the vacancies. They are the Canara Bank, which had reported nearly about 290 vacancies, and the second one is UCO Bank, which reported about 150 vacancies, and the third one is Bank of India, which reported 45 vacancies, and the total vacancies is 485. But these vacancies are not final because there are some banks which are not yet reported. Okay, now let us see the banks which are not reported their vacancies for AFO. They are Bank of India, Indian Bank, and Punjab National Bank. So we can expect some more vacancies from these 3 banks. Nearly about 100 to 150 vacancies may be increased. Okay, just pause the video and go through the vacancies according to your category. And there are some banks which reported 0 vacancies for SPL 10 for AFO. They are Bank of Maharashtra, Central Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank, and Union Bank of India. From these banks we cannot expect any vacancies. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any doubts, just mention in the comment box below, and do subscribe to our channel for more updates.